Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and these are my boys, Logan, Blake, and Dylan. And Daddy's behind the camera. So today, what are we making, guys?
Caramel apples.
Caramel apples and chocolate covered apples. And we're gonna make some for ourselves, and we're gonna make some to bring to our teachers at school tomorrow, right? Because it's apple season, and what do you do with all the apples that you go apple picking with? You make a lot of stuff with apples. So that's what we're doing today. For the caramel, this is what I have. I bought these caramel candies, and all you do is follow the directions in the back. I'll link it below so that you can go and buy this. And you just melt it with a couple of tablespoons of water, and you have the caramel. So no need to make it from scratch, but if you want to, go right ahead. It saves me some time. And then we melted the chocolate, and we have some assorted things to put on top of our apples. And this little thing that I have over here is from, let's see if we can see the brand. Can you see it? It's Baby Cakes, and it's a whole set. I have a bunch of them. I'll link it below. Let me show you what it actually looks like in the box. And it's perfect for when you're doing treats and things like that with the kids. So this part, the double ceramic heater, comes in another set. It doesn't come with this part, but it's awesome. I'll link also this below, and you just connect it and it keeps your chocolate warm, and you can heat it up also in the microwave as well. So let's get started. All right. Okay, these guys are like so excited because all they want to do is eat candy. But we washed our apples, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna put, see, this is what they want. I don't even think that they want to do the candied apples or the chocolate covered apples. But we're gonna get an apple. We're gonna put the stick, right? And then if you want a chocolate one, you dip it in the chocolate. And if you can't caramel, you dip it in the caramel. And if you want both, you can dip it in caramel and then in chocolate. Yummy.
Mommy, can you help me to do that thing now?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's
see how it looks.
Let's see. And let's put some more. Let's cover it up. Let's cover that apple up. Wedge. Okay, look. Look, Logan.
Whoa! I'm gonna put it now the top.
Okay.
Oh, what's this?
Okay, now.
Sit down. Let
This
me get some
step is very important. This stuff is very important. I have this that's already kind of cool from the fridge, so it's a little bit cooler. You're gonna place your apple there, and now you get to decorate it with whatever.
Wow, Logan, it looks like a strawberry. One candy down.
Okay, Blake, what do you want? You want chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. Let me put, actually.
Look at this green coat.
All right. You want to cover it all the way to the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like Logan.
Good job.
Logan, can I do the same thing as you? Yep, you could do it. So you need to wait until I do the same thing, okay, Logan? Okay.
Dylan. This one?
This one.
Okay, ready? You want chocolate? Ah, so messy.
Yeah. Okay. Papa, candy corns and
okay, can you put it? Put the candy corns. Put it and put a gummy bear. Put more gummy bear. And now, after they decorate it, once they're all done, we put it in the fridge so the chocolate can set, and then they can start eating them. If it'll even make it to that step.
It fell.
after chocolate. As you can see, he ate more of the chocolate than actually made one of the apples. Which one is yours, Blake? All right, which one is yours, Logan? Look, Logan has like a little tower. And which one is Daddy's? Cool. And Dylan? That's cool. And then we made a couple for the teachers. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I did not make one for myself because I'm actually allergic to apples. So I cannot eat one. So are you guys ready? Let's eat them, or you guys eat them.
Bobby, it's stick and glue.
Look, I'm gonna take a big bite out of it. You ready? Mmm. Mmm.
And they're really yummy.
Right over here. And you eat it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try it yourself at home with your kids or with your family members. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Bye.
Say bye, Dylan.
Bye.